Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine, safe, and healthy. Students, today we are going to learn WH questions. How to make questions with it in different situations. So let's start. WH questions are who, what, where, when, why, and how, etc. Who? It is used to ask about people, animals. It is never used to ask about the things. Who are you? I am a businessman. Who are you? I am a teacher. Who are you? I am a dog. Who are you? I am a parrot. What? It is used to ask about actions, objects, and things. What are you doing? I am reading the story book. What are you doing? I am singing the song. What are you doing? I am dancing on the stage. What are you doing? I am swimming in the pool. Where? It is used to ask about what place or position. Where are the apples? Apples are in the basket. Where do you live? I live in the Bangalore. Where are you going? I am going for the shopping. Where are my boots? Your boots are under the bed. When? It is used to ask about time, occasions, moments. When is your birthday? My birthday is on 11th July. When do you wake up every day? I wake up early in the morning at 7 o'clock. When can I go for the vacations? I will go for the vacations in December. When do you go for shopping? I will go for the shopping on Monday. Why? It is used to ask about reasons. Why are you laughing? I am laughing because there is a baby making funny faces. Why exercise is important for us? Exercises are important for us because it develops our bones and muscles. It keeps us healthy. Why do you go to the doctor's clinic? I go to doctor's clinic because I have high fever. Why are you cleaning your house? I am cleaning my house because My friends are coming for the tea party. How? It is used to ask about way, manner and form. How old are you? I am 10 years old. How are you? I am fine, well and good. How many sweets are there in the jar? There are 100 sweets in the jar. How much is the coffee? It's 200 rupees, sir.